When you filled out a contact form, signed up for a newsletter, applied for online job, and bought something online. Under GDPR, anyone collecting personal data is required to be transparent. That means a clear, accessible privacy notice, not hidden in some dusty corner of your footer. We will break down when you are legally required to provide a privacy notice, what it must include, and how to avoid fines while building trust. If you collect emails, use contact form, or run a business in Europe, manage customer data and failing to provide a clear privacy notice lead to fines, lost trust, and legal trouble. This guide helps you to stay compliant. What is a privacy notice? Under the GDPR, every time you collect or obtain personal data about an individual, whether directly from them or from another source, you must provide a clear privacy notice. A privacy notice is your way of saying, here's what we are doing with your data and how you can control it. Think of it like informed consent. GDPR makes this transparency a legal obligation. It's your way of being honest with users about what's happening behind the scene. GDPR required this under Article 13 and 14. If you are collecting any personal data, you need a privacy notice. When you must provide a privacy notice, you must provide a privacy notice at the point of data collection, especially when you collect data directly from users, sign up forms, checkout pages, registration, job application portals, even surveys. If someone gives you their name, email, or anything else that can identify them, GDPR says they must know what you are going to do with it before they click submit. Whether you are a solo founder or a growing agency, GDPR applies. Don't hide it in your footer. Don't assume your terms and conditions cover it. The notice must appear immediately. It needs to be clear, specific, and in plain language. Indirect collection. When you collect data indirectly, yes, you still need a notice. Full publicly available contact information from LinkedIn. You still have to notify those individuals under Article 14 of GDPR. You must tell them why, what data you have, from where you got it, why you are using it, and all within 1 month. This is a rare exception, but don't bet your compliance on them. If you use personal data to profile individuals or make automated decisions with legal similarly significant effect, credit card scoring, dynamic pricing, you must include specific transparent information about that processing. Special category data processing. When you are processing sensitive categories of data like health, race, religion, biometric, in addition to standard notice requirement, you must specify the additional legal basis under Article 9. Explicit consent, vital interest. Data transfer to third countries or international organization. If you transfer personal data outside the Europe, your privacy must describe the safeguards in place, standard contractual clauses and decisions. What include in privacy notice? GDPR checklist. Here's the checklist. Who you are, data controller or DPO. What data you are collecting. Why are you collecting it? Plus legal basis. How long you will keep it. Who you are sharing it with. Processor or third countries. What rights user have. It should clearly explain what you are doing, why and how. If you are not sure, start with these 8 points of GDPR checklist. Common mistakes that get companies in trouble. Companies have been fined for burying privacy notice in the legal fluff, failing to update them, or simply not providing one at all. They hide the privacy notice in legal footers. They use generic or unclear language, or they never update it as their tools change. A Danish company was fined because their site collected user data but didn't show a privacy notice anywhere visible. Don't let that happen to you. It's easy to fix. You need a privacy notice anytime you collect personal data, directly or indirectly. It must be clear, visible, accessible. Avoid unclear language or outdated information. GDPR compliant is not just about avoiding fines, it's about showing users you respect their privacy. When was the last time you updated your privacy notice? Download free privacy notice checklist, link in the description, to review your on-site or app.